So this morning I spent the first hour of my day fixing bugs that just didn't exist. And this is a common issue with programming, because you see, if the errors aren't being bubbled up correctly, then they'll throw issues rather than the root cause. The issue that I was facing this morning, God, it's a bit windy, was that I was calling an API with the wrong content type. And so it was responding without the error message saying you need to call this with a correct content type. It was actually just coming back with a bunch of gibberish, coming back with lines of things, line numbers of different classes that didn't actually relate to anything to do with the headers. And so I went down that rabbit hole. I then went down a whole series of other rabbit holes, and it was only until I started making the API requests in a different manner. So I use Postman instead of running things through the command line, that I actually discovered, as I was setting up the API request again, that in fact my code didn't actually have the right content type. But as I say, this happens all the time. I've been a programmer for a very long time, and I'm still making these silly mistakes. But if the API responds with errors that don't actually indicate where the problems lie, the root cause of the problem, then you can find yourself going down certain rabbit holes. I was thinking that I wasn't supplying the right ID. I thought I wasn't supplying the right payload in the right format. Turns out I just didn't have the right headers set.